Question number 51. Half byte or 4 bits is called A. Pixel, B. Memory, C. Nibble, D. None. Correct answer is C. Nibble. Question number 52. ISP stands for A. Internet Service Provider, B. Internet Self-Program, C. Internet Saver Program, D. None. Correct answer is A. Internet Service Provider. Question number 53. The first computer network is A. LAN, B. VAN, C. PAN, D. ARPANET. Correct answer is D. ARPANET. Question number 54. How much data can be stored in CD? A. 600 megabytes, B. 700 megabytes, C. 500 megabytes, D. 1 gigabyte. Correct answer is B. 700 megabytes. Question number 55. Has the shortest access time? A. Primary memory, B. Secondary memory, C. Cache memory, D. None. Correct answer is C. Cache memory. Question number 56. HDD is the example of memory? A. Primary, B. Secondary, C. Cache, D. None. Correct answer is B. Secondary. Question number 57. Internal HDD computer system is A. Fixed, B. Not fixed, C. Removable, D. None. Correct answer is A. Fixed. Question number 58. The length of IP addresses? A. 16 bits, B. 32 bits, C. 64 bits, D. 128 bits. Correct answer is B. 32 bits. Question number 59. MAC stands for A. Media Access Control, B. Media Access Cancel, C. Memory Access Control, D. None. Correct answer is A. Media Access Control. Question number 60. The length of MAC addresses? A. 32 bits, B. 64 bits, C. 48 bits, D. 128 bits. Correct answer is C. 48 bits. Question number 61. The location of the resource on Internet is given by its A. URL, B. Protocol, C. Email, D. IP. Correct answer is A. URL. Question number 62. URL stands for A. Uniform Research Location, B. Universal Resource Location, C. Uniform Resource Locator, D. All of the above. Correct answer is C. Uniform Resource Locator. Question number 63. Set of rules is known as A. Protocol, B. File, C. Topology, D. None. Correct answer is A. Protocol. Question number 64. Physical arrangement of computer network is called A. Topology, B. Routing, C. Networking, D. Protocol. Correct answer is A. Topology. Question number 65. The structure/format of data is called A. Management, B. Formatting, C. Syntax, D. None. Correct answer is C. Syntax. Question number 66. Keyboard is the example of A. Input device, B. Output device, C. Storage device, D. Processing device. Correct answer is A. Input device. Question number 67. Monitor is the example of A. Input device, B. Output device, C. Memory device, D. Processing device. Correct answer is B. Output device. Question number 68. A computer system consists of A. Central processing unit, B. Storage unit, C. Input and output unit, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 69. How many function keys are on keyboard? A. 4, B. 8, C. 12, D. 16. Correct answer is C. 12. Question number 70. RAM and ROM are the example of A. Input device, B. Output device, C. Storage device, D. None. Correct answer is C. Storage device. Question number 71. Speaker is an example of A. Simplex, B. Halfplex, C. Full duplex, D. None. Correct answer is A. Simplex. Question number 72. Telephone is the example of ... system? A. Simplex, B. Haplex, C. Full duplex, D. None. Correct answer is C. Full duplex. Question number 73. Walkie-talkie is an example of A. Simplex, B. Halfplex, C. Full duplex, D. None. Correct answer is B. Halfplex. Question number 74. Which of the following are the mode of data transmission? A. Simplex, B. Half-duplex, C. Full duplex, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 75. Is the star type of topology? A. True, B. False, C. Both, D. None. Correct answer is A. True. Question of the day. What is the full form of USB? A. Universal Serial Bus, B. Universal Sequential Bus, C. Unique Serial Bus, D. None. Please answer the correct answer in comment section down below.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell icon. For more content, click on above videos.